One doctor cracked his knuckles on only one hand every day for 60 years. The results will shock you. Almost everyone's been scolded for cracking their knuckles. Stop that, you will get arthritis. But where did this idea even come from? That cracking sound? It's caused by nitrogen gas bubbles collapsing inside the synovial fluid around your joints. Completely mechanical, completely harmless. Dr. Donald Unger, to settle this debate once and for all, cracked the knuckles of his left hand every single day for 60 years. But never his right. After 6 decades, no arthritis in either hand. No difference at all. He actually won the IZ Nobel Prize for the experiment. A real doctor. 60 years, zero arthritis. Now, obsessive, forceful cracking could slightly reduce grip strength over decades. But casual knuckle cracking, the science is clear. It does not cause arthritis. Follow Myth Debunker and crack your knuckles while you do it. You have earned it. Thank you. Bye bye.